Third party blocks actually trouble a lot of people in the twin flame journey, and there are different types of third party blocks. Most people assume that they are romantic in nature, and there is someone out there who is creating issues in their relationship. But no, it's an internal energy. It's like a fear that lingers on with people, and it happens to both parties. It's not like it's happening only to the women. It happens to the man also equally, and the men are pretty much also jealous. Like they say, no, no, men are not jealous. That's not true. They feel possessive. They feel jealous. They feel insecure. But I think they're less emotional. I'm talking about the majority, and they figure out a way to get the person back because they believe that, I am the one for her. Women usually are emotional in nature. Again, I'm not saying all, but most are, and they really think a lot through it. So sometimes you can reach to a situation like a solution emotionally, and in some cases you have to be very practical and logical about it. Here we need both. We need to be emotional about the fact that source is always with you, and source is going to release all third party blocks and just be with you, support you. And logically you have to think that, why am I thinking about it? Why am I giving it energy? Why am I giving it any power? My person loves me, that's the end of story, and I love them, and that's the end of story, and we love each other and we care for each other. And you have to really look at all the beautiful things they've done for you, because they usually have. It's just that when we are negative we don't see those things. We like look at all the bad things, and I've seen this even in my therapy sessions. I've seen a lot of magic happen when people enter the session. They themselves are saying that I have not done this, I have not done that, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, it's impossible. And after some time, when the session is pretty much literally midway, or even it's reaching its penultimate stage, they themselves say that, oh, you know what, I've actually done all of these things. I have been there, I've done that, and I choose to be a certain person. I choose to be a certain type of individual, and they can see all the positive things. And instantly, when you're positive, you will realize that you start seeing all the good things around you. You see people's good qualities. You see people's uh, optimism. You see the sacrifices they've made to be with you. You see how much they love you. You see how much they want to do things for you, and it just works out when you change your perspective.